Att utveckla och prova ut ett stridsflygplan av Gripen C dignitet, det är en kostnadsdrivande process.
The British government on March 20th expressed its support for Saab's efforts to sell advanced
originating with the Gripen E
fighter jets to Thailand. British Foreign Minister for Commonwealth and Development David Cameron confirmed that Sweden and the UK will combine their efforts to sell Gripen E to Bangok, as reported by Janes. The same statement was also expressed by Saab. Sweden and the
Introduced
UK
in
stand
1996,
side by side in
Saab's
offering the
aircraft
best
quick-
future combat capabilities. For the Royal Air Force of Thailand, said Saab on the official X account. The Royal Thai Air Force RTAF
Gripen-systemet var en fantastisk miljö för piloter.
consisting of 8 Gripen C and for Gripen D.
Den tar flygvapnets förmåga in i framtiden.
Gripen E to Thailand, competing with Lockheed Martin's proposed
Will gain to
F-16 Block
recognition
70
for their
fighter.
versatility.
Thailand is one of the countries with the largest economy in Southeast Asia. The UK trade relationship is worth around 6 billion British pounds, 7.6 billion United States dollars per year.
När man sätter sig i en Gripen så känns det som att man vet med flygmaskiner.
We can improve security in this area, as well as jobs
Quality
and
and
growth in
operations
the
tailored
UK,
to meet
said
specific
Cameron.
missions.
Although the Gripen jet is considered a Swedish aircraft, Saab has previously revealed that 25% of each Gripen is made by British companies. These include an injection seat made by Martin Baker and an active electronically
Let's check
scanning
out
array.
all the variants of the Gripen
AESA
fighters
radar
and-
made by Leonardo, UK.
Att utveckla och prova ut ett stridsflygplan av Gripen C dignitet, det är en kostnadsdrivande process.